Hi, my name is Sanja Janjic. I'm the Client Relationship Manager in the Asia Pacific region. I'm based in the Hong Kong office. I'm responsible for overseeing the relationship between some of our global clients and the local teams within the region. A common theme we have identified is that while there is a lot of emphasis on immigration compliance at the beginning of an employment process, this unfortunately does not translate throughout the entire employment period, especially not at the departure stage. I was involved in a recent project where we transitioned a client to Fragomen. As part of this transition, we were provided a list of all the foreign employees by their current provider. We compared this list with the list that the immigration authorities had and identified that there was a large number of employees that were no longer employed with the company. However, the immigration authorities had not been notified. This is a problem in certain jurisdictions, in particular Singapore and Australia, where there is a strict deadline by which you need to notify immigration authorities of a departure. Failure to meet these deadlines can have an adverse effect on the company and its ability to sponsor further foreign nationals. So what we looked at is how can we make this work for the company, because we identified that there was a gap in communication between the a global team that assisted with immigration and the team on the ground that would be dealing with the resignations and departure formalities. We looked at the checklist that they had as part of this departure process and identified that there was no mention of immigration on it. While there was things such as returning keycard, returning phone, and returning a laptop, immigration did not feature. So the client and we worked together to put in a part about immigration, and that was the first step on the checklist. So as soon as a person would resign, the global team with immigration, who dealt with immigration, would be notified, and they would then in turn initiate the case with Fragomen, and we would assist with the departure formalities. As a result of this project, we were able to assist our client to formulate internal policies and to integrate immigration into their exit and offboarding formalities, thereby ensuring full immigration compliance throughout the entire employment period of their foreign population and reducing any operational risks to the business.